This Berkshire Hathaway HomeServices Florida Realty property video is presented by Mae Alden. Welcome home to Prairiewood. Located just minutes from the University of Florida and surrounding hospitals. This very affordable 1-bedroom/1-bath unit is perfect for low-maintenance living and would also make a perfect Airbnb investment. Bike to the university or walk to nearby nature parks. Minutes to Archer Road shopping and downtown Gainesville. Low monthly association fees include exterior maintenance, roof, pest control, lawn care, water, trash and common areas. Come see. For more information, review the details below.